Evo Pack setup video. This is the first screen you'll see when you turn on the machine. I'm going to hit setup and go to temperature, and you got to turn the heaters on just by tapping them. Every time you turn the power off, when you turn it back on, you need to go to the temperature settings and make sure the screen is on. And go to production, and you're ready to run. To change your cutoff size, you hit that, enter the numbers you want, hit enter. It's very simple. Your former height, as you can see, the product is just clearing underneath the film there. It's important to have your height right. The height is adjusted over on the side by loosening those two screws and raising and lowering it until you have that position right here. To open it up, you have the thumb screw here, and it will move these plates in and out together. That's how you get your product width. To adjust the infeed, loosen these knobs, and the whole plate will slide in and out. These are your draw rollers. When you don't have the machine in use, you want to have them open, and that's just by turning this handle. You can see them close and open. The reason for it is you don't want flat spots to start to develop on your roller. This brush just assists the product coming out of the machine. You want to have it so the product fits through there. Start, stop, and jog. I have the film tracking the way the film should go through the machine. These are for your fin seals. It's open and closed. It's the pressure on them. And this brush is also assist to help your product through. You don't want a lot of pressure on it. You just want it to barely touch the product. And you adjust that by turning this handle up and down. It's the main power switch. There's no damage on the machine. I'll also send a small book that explains all these things in it, so you'll have something to reference. In setting up print repeat, you want to measure your repeat, enter it in your cutoff set point, move the eye to wherever your eye mark is, When you start the machine, it will take a few cycles for it to react, and the print should hold. To move the print frontwards and backwards on the package, you're going to turn this knob frontwards. Moving it that way is going to move the print forward, and moving it that way is going to make the print go backwards. It's in relationship to the cutoff knife. Hitting these buttons here will retard the print or advance it. You'll know that it's operating right because those red and green lights are going to alternate back and forth. These lugs here are timed with the cutting blade. If you were to change the package length, you would have to move the position of these lugs for your new product. That's done by removing the side panel, pulling out this knob, and just spinning it, and the lug will move. You'll just have to move it and try it and adjust it again if needed.